It has been known for a long time that onion juice can promote healthy hair growth when applied directly on the scalp, and many people have reported having success with this method. Onions are rich in sulfur, quercetin, and a number of other potent minerals and chemicals, all of which have the potential to stimulate and nourish hair follicles. How onions may stimulate the creation of new hair? Onions contain a high concentration of sulfur, a mineral that is necessary in the manufacturing of collagen. Collagen is essential for the formation of sturdy and elastic hair strands, as well as the maintenance of healthy hair follicles. A lack of sulfur in the diet has been associated with thinning hair. Either putting sulfur on your scalp topically or taking it internally can help alleviate problems with hair loss and thinning. Quercetin is another bioflavonoid found in abundance in onions. This bioflavonoid has both anti-inflammatory and antioxidant characteristics. Inflammation of the scalp is one source of problems such as dandruff, psoriasis, and other disorders that can interrupt the normal cycle of hair growth and contribute to hair loss. Because of its anti-inflammatory properties, quercetin may help calm a sore, itchy, or flaky scalp and make it possible for hair follicles to work to their full potential. But the benefits of onions don't stop with sulfur and quercetin. Onions are a nutritional powerhouse, containing a wealth of other essential elements that play a crucial role in maintaining healthy hair and promoting robust growth. Vitamin C, renowned for its antioxidant properties, is a key component in onions. This vitamin supports the body in producing collagen, a fundamental protein that aids in maintaining the strength and suppleness of hair strands. Additionally, it contributes to the health of the hair follicles themselves, ensuring they remain in optimal condition. Vitamin B6, another vital nutrient found in onions, is essential for overall hair health. It aids in the synthesis of hemoglobin, the component responsible for carrying oxygen to hair follicles. This, in turn, supports the growth and vitality of your hair, ensuring it receives the oxygen it needs to flourish. Folate, also known as vitamin B9, is indispensable for tissue growth and repair. It's no different when it comes to your hair. Folate assists in the development and repair of hair follicles, ensuring they remain healthy and productive. Iron, selenium, and amino acids cysteine and arginine are like the building blocks of strong and vibrant hair. Iron ensures that your hair receives the oxygen it needs for growth, while selenium acts as an antioxidant, protecting hair cells from damage. Cysteine and arginine are amino acids essential for the formation of keratin, the primary structural protein of your hair. Without these key components, your hair may become brittle. In order to stimulate hair development, prepare onion juice by. Because they have a higher sulfur content than other types of onions, red and yellow onions are the finest ones to use in cooking. Here are the fundamental procedures involved in the preparation of fresh onion juice. Reduce the size of 1 or 2 medium onions by chopping them. You will need around 1 cup of chopped onion for this step. Use a powerful blender or food processor to puree the chopped onions until they turn into a pulpy liquid with a consistent consistency. Using cheesecloth or a sieve with a fine screen, separate the bits of onion from the juice. The juice extracted from the onion is all that is left, and it can be applied directly to the scalp and hair. You may keep any leftover onion juice in the refrigerator for up to 3 days if you place it in a container that seals tightly and keeps air out. As a precaution against any separation that might have occurred during storage, always give it a good shake before each use. Instructions for using onion juice. First, give your hair a good wash and make sure it is completely dry. It will be easier to apply if you divide it up into portions. You can dab or paint the juice onto your scalp using a cotton ball, a small paintbrush, or a dropper bottle. Pay particular attention to regions where your hair is beginning to thin. Apply it to the skin in a gentle manner by massaging it with your fingertips. After applying the juice, wait at least half an hour and up to an hour before continuing with your normal shower routine. Shampoo thoroughly to remove any and all remnants of onion scent and residue. In the beginning, you should try to apply onion juice 2 or 3 times per week for the best benefits. If your hair growth gets better over time, you might be able to reduce the number of times per week that you need to apply the treatment to once or twice. If you want to see results that are evident within a few months, you need to be consistent. Managing the unpleasant odor. One of the negatives of this natural cure is that the smell of the onion juice can remain for quite some time after it has been used. Some suggestions that can help reduce the smell of onions are as: after rinsing the onion juice out of the hair, apply a small amount of mild conditioner to the ends of the hair. Before applying, combine onion juice with an essential oil that has a strong odor, such as oil of rosemary, lavender, peppermint, or lemon. After you have finished rinsing your hair, you can assist in eliminating any lingering scents by spritzing it with apple cider vinegar. If at all feasible, you should let your hair air dry completely rather than using a blow dryer, which can trap odors. It is best to rinse the hair first thing in the morning so that any remaining scents have plenty of time to disappear before going to bed. Remember, consistency is key. Apply the onion juice a few times a week, and with patience and dedication, you'll start seeing results in a few months. So why not give it a try and unlock the potential of your luscious locks with this natural remedy? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.